Hey girlies, look at my cute dog. Okay, so here's the tea. I was told I would be leaving either on the 20th, the 21st, or 26th. But then yesterday I was told I'll be leaving on the 26th. But then today I was told I'm gonna be leaving on the 21st, which is in 2 days. And I canceled my nail appointment today because I was like, oh, if I'm not leaving until next week, I'll just do my nail appointment next week. But now I'm leaving in 2 days, so I have to do my nail appointment tomorrow. I also needed to get a little bit of like last minute things. So I went to Abercrombie and Zara and got some more stuff, like camp vibey kind of stuff. I hope. I don't even know like what really the tea is. I got these shorts from Abercrombie because I just needed denim shorts that were gonna fit me because I've gained some weight, and some black shorts because that just like goes with everything, I feel like. And these both fit really good and look cute. I also don't even know. I already have 2 big suitcases that are like full. This one, that one, and then I have this little carry-on also full of clothes. I don't know how I'm gonna fit more stuff. My eyelash is also coming off. It's so hard because this show has never been a show before. I like don't know what to expect. I don't know what it's gonna look like. I don't know like what terrain I'm gonna be in. But I got these shoes. They're cute. It's giving like Birkenstock kind of vibes, but like modern. Then I got this sweatsuit set. It looks like a t-shirt, but it's thicker and it has like shoulder pads kind of, so it's a little structured. I feel like this will be cute during night. They said we'll be like around campfires and all that stuff. Also, I got my hair done. Did I show you guys my braid? I got these like goddess braids kind of, but not with too much curls out because if I'm gonna be in the water and stuff a lot, I don't want it to get tangled. And then these are the pants, wide leg. I tried it on. I'm liking the vibes. And then I got this red shirt because one of the outfits I sent them, so basically you have to send them like outfit options for your profile, for press, for your first day like going into the camp. So I sent them some outfit options for all of those. And for my profile option, they liked the pants, but they kind of want a different shirt. And I think it's because the shirt is kind of like gray and metallic, so it's a little boring. So I got this colorful one, not colorful, but this red one that I thought would be cute with my jeans. By the time you're watching this, you'll know what I wore. Then I got these like cargo pants. Now that I'm looking at it, it's like a little see-through, but that's giving summer camp vibes. And then last but not least, just a plain white t-shirt just to throw on casually. Super fun. I need to take some stuff out now that I have these new like shorts and pants and stuff. There might be some things I can take out so that I have more space and be off to Mexico City on Thursday. You know the drama is never ending. Okay, so I just got my nails done. I'll show you guys a little bit better later, but I basically just got like a short nude with some stones to add some flavor, but they actually honestly told me not to get nails at all because I don't know, these challenges are about to be crazy, guys, I think, but I just can't go anywhere without nails, so I decided to do that. And I was gonna just do gel on my own nails, but my nails are so short and like stubby, I feel like it'll be like ugly, so at least I'll have these for when I do like my profile and press before going on to the show. And then if the challenges are crazy and I lose a nail, so be it, but at least I start looking fresh. Sephora haul, and I guess I'll show you my Target haul too, some of the stuff I got from Target. I literally leave tomorrow, you guys. I just got my flight information. Okay, so far what I was saying is I got this concealer. I was running out. I always use it. It's the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. And I got this Super Goop SPF because I'm gonna be in the sun a lot and I have really bad skin. I'm like semi-allergic to the sun kind of, so this is gonna come in handy. I just tried it on and it's super lightweight, so it'll be good under my makeup. I got this brown Sephora lip liner. All my brown girls know, all my girls with big lips know, you need a brown lip liner to put on with any color or else your lips just make you look like a clown. Oh, I got this Glossier perfume thing, but I just got the roll-on because it's so expensive and I don't even know if I'll like it. Maybe I should have gotten the bigger one. I didn't want to get the spray, just got the roll-on to see, but I hear such good things about this. What's it called? I don't even know, but it's their perfume, you know. I feel like you've seen the one probably. Oh, I understand the hype. I've never tried anything from Topicals, but I've been wanting to. And when the girl was like showing me all my stuff to make sure I had everything that I ordered, she was like, oh my gosh, I'm excited for you to try this. This is so good. So I'm excited. Not me just like trying everything right now. Really thick. I feel like it'll stay on for a long time, which is good. But I kind of wanted like wait, what am I saying? Sorry, I just got an email about the Circle. By the way, as I'm filming this right now, Circle is not even out yet. It's coming out in like 1 month, a little less than a month while I'm filming this. So I'm excited about that. But anyways, I wanted to get the Mario sculpting contour because that's what I normally use. And they had the shade that I have been using, but I kind of wanted to get a darker one. And they were sold out of the darker shades. So I instead got the Fenty in espresso. This is the Fenty Matchstick, and I feel like, oh yeah, that'll be good. That's it for my Sephora haul. Now let me show you what I got from Target. I got this braid bonnet extra long sleeve cap so that I can put my braids in without it like scrunching up. A deodorant. This is the best Dove spray deodorant. It's the apple and white tea. It smells delicious. Got some lashes. I also have the individual lashes, which I'm gonna put on so that it just kind of stays on, but I got these just in case like those are not working or they're falling off and I just need to pop on a quick lash. This body wash, this is the hydrating coconut milk body wash by Method Body, and it's my favorite body wash. It smells so good. And then I got this lotion, a soothing hydration lotion, because like I said, I'm gonna be like outside in the dirt, I think, so I just want something that's hydrating for my skin. I got some shaving cream, and then I got this weightless silky shine spray by Tresemme to spray on my braids. I honestly got this, I was influenced, well really my mom was influenced and then she influenced me, but by AD from Love is Blind, which her season of Love is Blind just came out as I'm filming this right now, and she posted like a partnership she just did with Tresemme, and she has braids and she used this like spray, and I think it's just supposed to like keep it like shining and sleek and make it look nice like after a while. So this will be good because I'm gonna have these braids in for a month, so I'm gonna need to like zhuzh it up. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Sephora and Target. I also got these pants this morning I got these from American Eagle. I just needed some white shorts because the more and more I looked at the weather, it's gonna be hot there, and I packed a lot of like pants, cargo pants and like stuff like that, but sis, it's not giving that. So I got some white shorts. This way I have these white shorts, I have blue shorts, I have black shorts, and then I have a bunch of like dresses and jumpsuits and stuff like that. But I feel like having 3 solid pairs of shorts is gonna be good. We're gonna miss my dog. Say bye, dreamers. Dream, say bye. See you later.
Oh, wait, don't leave. Wait. I'm so proud of you. Girl, I don't know what to expect. Listen, it might be crazy.
I know.
Like rural crazy.
I know. We'll see.
I don't know. You just be careful.
Okay.
And look, do what you can do.
Okay, love you.
Okay, so I'm on the way to the airport, and it's probably hard to hear me. I'm on my way to the airport. I just realized that I left my charger at home, so I texted the welfare team to see if they can get me a charger for when I'm in sequester, because I'll have my phone while I'm sequestered in the hotel, but then they take it away once I start filming. But I'm gonna have it for the next few days, so I do need a charger. I also realized I brought my Kindle, and I didn't bring my Kindle charger, which is a different charger, but my Kindle's on like 65%, and that doesn't really lose battery too fast, and I brought 2 physical books, so I think I might be okay. I'm so excited. All right, I'll see you guys at the airport. I think I have 2 checked bags, and I think they're both over 50 pounds, and my carry-on has no room to put anything, so it's gonna cost me probably $200. This is the shortest TSA line I've ever been in my life. There's no one here. Craziest thing happened to me. My bags were not working. I was paying online, and it wasn't showing up that I was paying online, and so they were saying I had to pay again. And then I went and talked to the loveliest agent. He was from, I was gonna say Italia. He was from Italy. He helped me. He took my bags for free. He even took my like roller one. So I'm just rocking around the airport with my small little personal bag, which I just feel so good. And I was so stressed because it was taking forever, and I thought I was gonna be late, and now I'm super early. And God is just so good. Like, this is a testimony. Whenever you're feeling like things are not going your way, I was literally like, I'm gonna miss the flight and not be able to go. And then all of a sudden things just got brighter. And then my bags were over 50 pounds. And I was like, oh no. And he was like, oh no, don't worry. Aero Mexico does 55 pounds. Like, everything was just coming up Quori. And I'm happy about it. So let's go to Mexico.
Face that wasn't even close to mine. Shouldn't be enough.
Made it to Mexico. My chaperone just got me. We're waiting for the car. Let's go. You guys, I feel like I'm having the same experience that I had when I filmed The Circle, but I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't document it. I can't stop breathing heavy because I'm just so excited. I just talked to one of the casting producers from Netflix. It just meant so much to me, everything he was saying, and just being a part of this Netflix community is insane. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm filming another show before my original show even comes out. It's like, what's going on? My phone's about to die. I forgot my charger, so hopefully they're getting me one. I have to order some food. Girl. I just took a shower. I'm so tired. It took me forever to get my shower on, by the way. But now I'm just eating and watching Pretty X Unfiltered because this is their first ever episode, and I love Unfiltered and I love Pretty Basic. So my two faves coming together.